If diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then the quadrilateral is known as, remember, it is rhombus or a square, either of these two. Check what the answer is given in the exam, write as given. Remember one thing, if they are bisecting at right angles, then it's rhombus or square. If they are only bisecting, then what? Means it's not given at right angles. Then it can be four options: rhombus, square, rectangle or parallelogram. See this, rhombus, they bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Square again, they bisect each other at right angles. What is the difference between rhombus and a square? The only difference is here, all sides are equal in both. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles in both. So the difference is the angle made by the sides with each other in a square is 90 degrees, whereas in rhombus it's not compulsory that it should be 90 degrees. Square is a special type of rhombus, you can call it.